would love to introduce the new Cooper&Hunter PEAQ series. Now, the PEAQ series is a revolutionary design. This is meant for furnace replacements. We're all about that Go Green initiative, and we want to get people to stray away from utilizing fossil fuels. So what we've introduced here is our new Hyperheat Furnace Replacement PEAQ series. Now, this is a full inverter system connected to a Hyperheat unit. This system here is going to provide you optimal heating in the wintertime. It starts off at 18,000 BTU and it goes all the way up to 55,000 BTU. It is a one-to-one connection. This system here does come with a wall thermostat, but the great thing is this system is also universal. I can utilize any third-party thermostat on this series here. And in the future, if something does happen and you do need to change any of the settings on it, this system here will work with any third-party condenser as well. Now, since it is a brand new series, 454B is new on the market. I don't see anyone having to do that anytime soon, but it is an outstanding unit, and we do have an emergency electric heat kit that can also be installed for supplementary heating as well. So this series here does come with a new M-coil design, which is going to increase the flow of the system. This unit does come in with over 1.2 static pressure, so it's great for long duct runs. And remember, folks, this is a hyperheat unit with the ability to go and work in ambient temperatures as low as -22 degrees. So when you match that with that new M-coil design, that 1.2 static pressure, the ability for this unit to work with any third-party thermostat, the applications on this system are endless.